Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain class 3, chapter 6, division, page number 56. Do this too. First question. Divide and find the quotient and remainder using long division method. Verify your result also. We had to verify the result also. First we had to divide that one, and after that we had to show that which one is the quotient, which one is the remainder we had to show by using the long division method only. This is the long division method. First one is, first question, 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2, okay. In this, which number we are dividing here? With 16 we are dividing now. So 16 is the dividend, okay. With what number we are dividing? With 2 we are dividing, that is called the divisor. 2 is the divisor. Whatever we guess the answer, that is called the quotient. 8 is the quotient, okay. How much is the left here? That is the remainder. 0 is the remainder in this, okay. We are dividing with the 2, that's why first we had to write always 2 table. Means with what number we are dividing 2 no? So we have to write the 2 table. Okay, first 2 1s 2, 2 2s 4, 2 3s 6, 2 4s 8, 2 5s 10, 2 6 12, 2 7s 14, 2 8s 16, 2 9s 18, 2 10s 20. Okay. In this 16 divided by 2. In this 2 table, is there any 16? Yes, here 16 is there. So we can select this one. 2 8s are 16. 2 8 16. Now next step is here. We have to subtract that. From 16, if we are subtracting 16, we get 0. Okay. Now we have to do the verification. What is the meaning of the verification first of all? Verification means we have to show the LHS is equal to the RHS. Here formula is there. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In this, what is the dividend here? 16 is the dividend. 16 is the dividend equal to divisor is here 2. Next into quotient is here. Quotient is here 8 plus 0. Remainder means here 0. Okay. Now 2 8s are 16. Now LHS is equal to the RHS. Okay. So this is the answer. 16 equal to 16 we got. Okay. Verification is completed. Now the next question. B I am explaining now. 90 divided by 6. Okay. 90 divided by 6. Means here 6 no. So we had to write the 6 table. With 6 we are dividing that. So we need to write the 6 table. 6 1 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18. 6 4 is 24. 6 5 is 30. 6 6 is 36. 6 7 is 42. 6 8 is 48. 6 9 is 54. 6 10 is 60. Okay. Now in this, 1's tens. First we have to start that from tens place. Okay. 6 1s are 6. Is there any 6 is here? Is there any 9? First we need to see this. Here 9 is there. No. In this any 9 is there? No. 9 is not there. So if I take the 6 to 12 will come. We need to take 9 or else less than 9. But we should not take more than 9. Okay. 6 to 12 is their biggest number will come. So we need to take here 6 1 6 only. 6 1s are 6. From 9 if we are subtracting 6 we get a 3. Okay. Next what we have to copy as 0 is we had to copy. Is there any 30? Yes. 6 5 is 30 is there. 6 5 is 30. Okay. 0. Next one. Now we have to do the verification. That is what is the formula? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the dividend here? Dividend is here 90 equal to, what is the divisor? Divisor is here of 6 into quotient is here 15. Whatever we get the answer, that is the quotient 15 plus remainder is here 0. Okay. 90 equal to 6 15 6 90. 6 5 30 0 carry 3. 6 1 6. 6 plus 3 9. So we got here 90. Means here verification is completed. We showed us means what we had to show here, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, we got a LHS equal to RHS. Yes, completed.